Myself Suhana Deori, and we all are here to discuss about being an atheist and a believer. As a atheist, I believe that there is no significant evidence of God, and I also do not believe in divine beings.
Well, I'm Adesa. As a believer, I believe that religious and faith are not just a personal choice but a guiding force which provides some meaning and morality into our lives.
Religion and faiths are personal choice, but they should not be imposed on others.
Well, also the existence of God cannot be proven or disproven through the empirical evidence.
The burden of proof lies with believer to provide empirical evidence of the God.
Like science and research are the best tools, and we have to know and understand the world.
No, science and regions are not limited to explore this mysterious universe. Faith and spirituality provide some more complete evidence of existence of humans and world around us.
But that also is true that faith and superstition hinder progress and critical thinking. And in this world, everything happens with a scientific reason.
How can you say that there is no proof? We can prove it through our mythology books.
Mythology means myths. So what?
Have you ever read Hanuman Chalisa?
Yes, and what is in it?
There is a line Yoga Sahasra Yojana Para Bhanu Lilyo Tahi Madhura Fara Janu, which means it says the distance between earth to sun, and it proved before the scientists prove it.
But we cannot see God.
Anything that we can't see, there is that no means that there is no presence of that thing. We can feel God.
But still, there is no empirical evidence of it. And how can we believe it is real or not?
We can't see the butter in the milk, but the butter also derived from the milk. So, how can you prove that there is no presence of God?
We went to temple, but there is only a statue. There is not
The statue is made by the humans. God didn't say that the devotees have to pray that statue.
Then it's our belief that we believe in God.
Yes, we believe in God because there everything made for a reason, like she said, and we can prove that we have a life, and there is something which is inside us, which we can call Atma.
Why you are believing in God?
Because I feel God, and because He helps me in every time.